Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS, and we're going to go over how you would replace your engine air filter. Engine air filter on this vehicle is located in the front left of the vehicle, which is right behind the headlight on your driver's side. We've got our air box right here. We've got two screws that we need to loosen, and then we can fold this open to get to the air filter. So if you use a number 3 screwdriver, you just screw them out until they stop spinning out, because the screws do stay attached. And then you'll be able to open up the air box. You just need to fold it down a little bit and pull out your air filter. This is the whole unit. So we'll get our new one. So we've got our new one, and we've got these tabs that we're going to line up in the bottom. And you get those little tabs lined up in the bottom. They have a little channel to go in, and now you can close the clamshell here and tighten up your number 3 screws. And so that's how you would replace your engine air filter on your Cadillac STS. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.